Jamaica we say, and we no care in the world where we there. One Jamaica we say, we give them volt and we give them reggae. One Jamaica we say, and we no care in the world where we there. One Jamaica we say, we give them volt and we give them reggae.
I'm talking to the Mongoose community. Why do you think so many people travel to Kingston, Jamaica, from within Jamaica? Why do you think people, when you go to Kingston, you can find people who have traveled from all different parts of Jamaica to live in Kingston? Why do you think you meet so many people whose great-great-grandparents moved to Kingston? Why are people moving to Kingston on a daily basis, traveling to and from? Why? They travel there because it is one of our largest commercial hubs in the country. Everything is in Kingston because it is a city. I was born in Kingston. My mother had me at Kingston Jubilee Hospital. I was not raised in Kingston because our families live in country. I was raised in St. Elizabeth. That's where most of our families are. That's where our families move from to go to Kingston. Because Kingston provided opportunities for jobs that they were looking for. And some people move to Kingston because they want to go there to do business, to start a business, because Kingston would provide a better and bigger market. The market that you buy food in Kingston can easily be the biggest one because it is in our first city and it is serving thousands and thousands of people. Cities create opportunities. And so when a prime minister is proposing a new city in Jamaica, and you all are carrying on as if it is a burden. It is a burden that he's taking on. Like, you don't see the need for a city. You don't see the need for more Jamaicans to have access to more opportunities. You don't see the need for the country to be prosperous. Like, what is your problem? What is your problem? Your problem is it is being done by the wrong person. You're all for a city. You all want to see more Jamaicans have jobs. You all want to see farmers have greater access to greater markets. You all want to see that. But you do not want it to be done in a way that the credit is given to the party that you do not support. And it's a darn shame. You should be ashamed of yourselves. And you should not open your mouth and object to a city, let anybody hear you. Your children and your great-grandchildren in the future would want to know that when you were faced with the prospect of a new city in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, that you supported it. You know why? Because one of those great-great-grandchildren probably will have a business place in that city and creating wealth that they can pass on to their children. While you, because of your constipation, your political constipation, you were blinded to the opportunity that a new city bring to a place. This mongoose mentality that you're all living in, you need to get rid of it. You're gonna die from high blood pressure because you're carrying around these pent-up, stupid resistance that is going to destroy you. I would like to see our farmers being able to have access to greater markets. I would like to see more hotels built that require local products. That is the aim of the Ministry of Tourism and Agriculture as we speak. It's called Local First. Trying to get the people who are owning the resorts and the hotel to use more of the Jamaican product. And that augurs well for the future of our farmers. Coupled with that, our farmers are now getting cold storage. So when there's a glut in the market, they can store their food. It doesn't have to go to waste. They don't have to lose money. Having a city give them more opportunity. What are you objecting to? I want to hear the coherent argument, because none of you have taken the time to look at the strategic approach that the government is using. You don't even know where the funding is coming from. You're guessing that everything will be owned by foreigners, when nothing like that is the case. Before you open your mouth as a mongoose, at least if you're going to be a mongoose, be an educated one. Be one that has information at your fingertips. Be one who can rationally explain something. Don't be stupid. I don't have time. I don't have time to explain these simple things to people who are so vehement and in their criticism. You see, if you were to criticize something in a way with an open mind and you humble yourself, then somebody could point something out to you. But when you're so ignorant and so confident in your ignorance about the issue, I don't know where to start with you. I don't know. And I don't consider myself to be better than you. I don't consider myself to be more educated than you. Because education is a relative thing. But at least, if you're going to opine on an issue, inform yourself. You don't have to make the entire Mongoose community look like you're fools. Come on, man. Come on. Where in this world do you think that people exist where they would be against a city? I've heard people argue against certain things being built, but they do it on the basis of actually substantial issues, like environmental issues that need to be taken into consideration. That's a different argument. But to be objecting to a city? And by the way, for those of you who are talking about the Prime Minister want to steal land, let me ask you a question. If the Prime Minister if that was the motivation for the Prime Minister to steal land, why would the Prime Minister go to St. Elizabeth a month ago to hand out 700 land titles? Explain that to me. Why would he be shooting himself in the foot? You people need to behave yourself. Behave yourself. Mongoose, you know?
One Jamaica, me say, and we no care where we there. Yes, we give thanks for Jamaica, a gift to the world by the maker. I don't even care who you vote for, as long as you stand for Jamaica. And whether you live on the island or in the diaspora, we are stronger together. We love Jamaica, one Jamaica we say, and we no care in the world where we there. One Jamaica we say, we give them Volta, we give them reggae. One Jamaica we say, and we no care in the world where we there. One Jamaica we say, we give them Volta, we give them reggae. We have been through the fire, we have been through the rain. Now the stakes getting higher, our faith will remain. We are brave, bold and strong, we will never stay down. Our history has shown, we will rise from the ground. One Jamaica we say, and we no care in the world where we there. One Jamaica we say, we give them bolt and we give them reggae. One Jamaica we say, and we no care in the world where we there. One Jamaica we say, we give them bolt and we give them reggae. Our people are so nice, they will always treat you right. But if you come to fuss and fight, we will surely dim your light. And if you come hard at us, we will come hard at you. But if you're humble and true, then enough respect is due. One Jamaica we say, and we no care in the world where we there. One Jamaica we say, we give them bolt and we give them reggae. One Jamaica we say, no care in the world where we there. One Jamaica we say, we give them both and we give them reggae.